Now think about this one. So suppose this is the square open reservoir. Okay, the shape is a square shape. Okay, it is an square open reservoir. The shape is here. Look, I am marking it. This is the square shape. Okay, and it's open. Okay, that means the top part is open, there is no cover. Okay, and its depth is given. What is the depth here? The depth is given here, I mean here to here, it is 2.5 meter. Okay, and it can contains 28,900 liters of water. Okay, so write down here, given depth or height equals to 2.5 meter, and amount of water equals to 28,900 liters. Now convert this into cubic meter. Okay, so to convert this into cubic meter, what we have to do? Okay, who can say to convert liter to cubic meter, what to do?
So I think we should multiply it with 1000.
You have to multiply by
1000.
okay, are you sure?
Yes, I'm quite sure.
not
Not fully.
not much confident. Okay, let me see. Samia Rahman.
I think, sir, 1000.
We have to divide by 1000. Okay, we have to divide by 1000, then it will be cubic meter, that is 28.9 cubic meter. Okay, so the volume of water contains here in this box, in this tank or in this reservoir is 28.9 cubic meter. That is indirectly the volume is given, the volume of this reservoir is given. Okay, now if we want to find out how much money will be spent to put the sheet, then what do we need? We need the volume of the area of the inner side, right? Okay, I told everyone to underline the word inner side. Okay, now if you closely observe the screen and the figure here, I have brought it here. So in the inner side, how many walls are there? In the inner side of this box or this reservoir, how many walls are there? Who can say?
The 4 walls are there.
4 walls.
Sir, 5 walls.
Shito.
Sir, 5 walls.
Okay, some says 4, some says 5. Okay, okay, let's see how many are there. Now in the inner side of this reservoir, look at this one. This is a wall, right? This is a wall, and this is another wall. In this side another wall, so 1 2, then this side 3, and this side 4. So these are 4, and in the bottom of this reservoir, okay, bottom is not open. The question says the top part is open, right? So there is no wall in the top part, but in the bottom there is a wall, otherwise there will be no water, right? If there is no wall in the bottom, then it doesn't contain any water. So 4 in the sides and 1 is at the bottom, so there are total 5 walls. So we have to find out the area of these 5 walls. If we can find out the area of these 5 walls, then our math is done. Okay, so let's try to find out the area of these 5 walls. Okay, before that, one thing you need to understand, that what is the shape of this reservoir? It is a square shape, right? The shape is a square shape, that is the top part, it looks like a square shape face. Okay, and we know all the sides of a square are equal, isn't it? So we can say if length is a, then of course breadth must be a. Length is a, then breadth must be a. Or if we consider breadth is length is x, so breadth must be x, because length breadth all are equal in case of a square. Okay, now we can write, now you write please. Let length of the reservoir equals to x meter, therefore breadth of the reservoir will be also x meter, because length or breadth are same. Okay, and already we have given the depth, or we have given height, so we know now length, we know now breadth, we know height, also we have the volume. So what we can now say according to the question, right? So write down now according to the question. According to the question we can say length into breadth, okay, into height equals to, what is the volume we have got? 28.9. Okay, so please everyone solve it and get the value of x. Okay, 1 minute time, solve and get the value of x. Okay, I see two participants already raised hand. Okay, Rifat Mustafa
Yes, sir.
calculated
Yes, sir. The value of x is 3.4.
3.4. And what is the value of x square?
Sir, the value of x square is 11.56.
Okay, thank you. I see many students already raised hands, so thank you. I know all of you got the correct answer. This is not the answer. Already got the correct values of x, so we can say x equals to 3.4. Okay. So I see Raihan is raised hand, Fahmi Dishtak raised hand. Okay, let's me see Fahmi Dishtak.
Sir.
Okay, have you got the same answer? X is 3.4.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Vian, put down your hand. Got the same answer. Okay, so we have got the value of x is 3.4. So if the value of x is 3.4, so what does it mean? Length is 3.4, breadth also 3.4. So now write, so length is 3.4 meter and breadth was also x, so it will be also 3.4 meter. And height was given in the stem, that is 2.5. It was given earlier. Okay, so we are almost done. Now the final part. What is the final part here? We need the area of the 5 walls. Okay, so now write total inner area. Total inner area equals to, so what is the total inner area? Area of 4 walls plus area of what? Area of base. Okay, the bottom part we are calling this one area of base. 4 walls and area of base, total 5 walls. Okay, equals to, now we have a direct formula for area of 4 walls. What is the direct formula? 2 into length plus breadth into height. Okay, 2 into length plus breadth into height. Okay, now area of base. What is the formula for area of base? You know, the shape of this reservoir is a square shape, so we have to apply the formula of a square, and we know formula of a square is what? One side a square, one side a square. So do you have any confusion here? Please, if you have, raise hand please. First of all, area 4 walls. Second, area base. So write down the simple formula here. Now input the values. 2 into, what is the length? We have got the length is here 3.4. So input the value 3.4. What is the breadth here? 3.4. What is the height given? Height is given 2.5. And the one side also 3.4. Okay, now calculate please everyone and tell me the answer. Calculate and tell me the answer, and if you have any question please you may raise hand. Okay, I see 4 participants already raised hand. Okay, I see Ridita raised hand, Rafayet, Tahamid, then Taha, okay, Nuha, Farhan, Muntasimeni. Okay, yes, I know. Thank you for your calculation. Okay, I'm asking from Noha this time. Noha.
Sir, 45.56.
The final result is
45
45.56 square meter. Okay,
square.
so a square meter, right? Thank you. So, but before that, can you tell me what will be the individual result of your in the calculation in this part of the
Sir, 34
34
plus 11.56.
11.56. Okay, if I do individual part, then it will be like this. Okay, then if we add this, then it, okay, thank you. I think everyone got the same answer. Okay, so thank you Noha, also thank you everyone those who raised hand. I see many of you already raised hand. You can write the total cost will be 45.56 into, what was the cost here? The cost was 12.50 taka. Okay, so just multiple 12.50 12.50 taka. By calculating what will be, that is the answer.